Hi everyone, Miggy from Figma here with another FigJam tip. Today what I'm going to be talking about is using and making FigJam placeholder images for your FigJam templates. So if you see here in my document, I have these images that I can basically just click and replace using this little icon up here that allows me to replace that image. It gives you the opportunity to make templates for your team meetings and such. So let's begin by creating a placeholder graphic. I'm going to draw out a rectangle. I'm going to press Shift X to swap the fill in the stroke. I'm going to create a stroke of 12. I'm going to press the O key and draw out a circle to be the little sun graphic that I have here. I'm also going to give it a stroke of 12. And lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this graphic here and draw out a little mountain that will be in my graphic. So let's go ahead and draw that mountain out and adjust it like so. I'm pretty happy with that. Next, I'm going to select my frame and I'm going to remove show and exports for that background. And I'm going to choose copy paste. I'm going to copy this as a PNG to my clipboard. Next, I'm going to create a new browser window and type in figjam.new, and that's going to create a new FigJam document for me. After I've created that new document, I'm going to press the R key to draw out a rectangle. Now that I have this rectangle, I'm going to choose a white background and I'm going to choose a dotted outline. I'm going to just click outside and you see I have the little placeholder area. I'm going to go ahead and hit Command V to paste my graphic. I'm going to center it out and I'm going to choose this crop option to fill up that placeholder area that I had just created. So now that that's done, I can actually select this graphic that I have here in the middle and I can scale that down holding down the Option key and the Shift key. So now that that's there, I can create as many of these as I want by selecting them and option dragging them to make many different copies. So now that this is set up, I can select any one of these, choose the replace image icon and replace the image with whatever it is that I want. So this is going to be really effective if you have a template for a team meeting or a group mood boarding activity. Hopefully you found that helpful. And as always, happy designing.